Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Wekiwa Springs local and long distance movers near me. The most challenging element of long distance relocation is guaranteeing the safety of your belongings. 3 Movers recognizes that if they don't pack your valuables properly, they might shatter before reaching the vehicle or get damaged during the moving process. As a result, we have professionals who will always do an awesome job in wrapping each item with care before loading it onto the van. We also understand that you may make last-minute decisions that may require a pickup vehicle at the last minute. 3 Movers has trucks available at all times to meet your last-minute demands. Our vans are always well-maintained and ready to go, and we consistently meet deadlines. Whether it's a local or long-distance relocation, we're always prepared to help you move to your new location. Our team of seasoned packers and movers will help you with this enormous task, freeing up your time to attend to other matters such as meeting with realtors or solicitors and caring for your children. Our expert movers and packers will support you with the enormous task while focusing on getting your affairs in order. Our rates vary from $30 to $40 per hour, unquestionably the most acceptable pricing in Wekiwa Springs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wekiwa Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.